Hello students, very good morning. I hope that everyone is fine and safe there. Now we are starting with the short revision video for the unit test 3. I hope you people are aware of the third unit test which we are going to face for the next week. So for the class 6th and the subject is mathematics. We'll go with the revision. So I have given the portion and the pattern for the unit test. We'll see it once again. So standard is 6 standard, subject is mathematics, and the marks you will be writing for 25 marks. Time allotted will be 40 minutes, and the day which you are going to write it on 27/10/2020 and on Tuesday. And the portion will be chapter 2 fully, that is exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Pattern will be as same which we followed in the last test. Fill in the blanks, 7 marks, and answer the following 8 questions will be given. From that you have to write 6 questions. So 6 question carries 3 marks. So totally 18 marks. So totally it is 25 marks. The test will be conducted. Now we are starting with exercise 2.1. If you see, we have first Roman letter as fill in the blanks. The letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z are used to represent a variable. Be careful with the spelling. variable, variable. The second one, the algebraic statement of f decreased by 5 is f minus 5. The algebraic statement of s divided by 5 is s divided by 5 or s by 5. If A's age is n years now, 7 years ago A's age was n minus 7. Fifth question, if p minus 5 gives 12, then p is dash. So first we have to form the equation. So p minus 5 is equal to 12. To find p, you have to take this 5 to the opposite side. When minus 5 moves to the opposite side, it becomes plus 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17. So what is the value of p? It is 17. Next is say true or false. The length of part B in the pencil shown is a minus 6. So we have already discussed this. We are going for the revision. So it is false. See the next one. If the cost of an apple is X and the cost of a banana is rupees 5, then the total cost of fruit is rupees x plus 5. Yes, it is true. 10 more to the 3 times of c is 10c plus 3. So what is given? 10 plus 3. So it is not 10c, it should be 10 plus 3c. So answer is false. See the next one. If the cost of 10 rice bag is rupees t, then the cost of 1 rice bag is t by 10. It is true. The product of q and 20 is 20q. Yes, it is true. See the next question. Draw the next 2 pattern and complete the table. So this the same sum we have seen in the try these also, right? So you have to calculate how many squares, how many circles and how many triangles are there, and then you have to follow the next pattern. So this sum I have given as homework for you. In the video session. You would have completed that and you have to write this question. So the upcoming question we'll see in the worked out sheet. We'll go with the next page. So as I told you, the upcoming question from 4 to 9. We have worked it out. We'll see that now. See the 10th sum. Complete the table and find the value of k for which k by 3 gives 5. So this one also I have given as homework for you. You would have done this. I'll go with another session. See, the value of k is given in the first tabular column. K divided by 3. So the value of k is 3 divided by 3. So if you cancel, we'll get 1. So the first 2 tabular column they have solved. We have to go with the other 4 columns and find which number is giving us the answer as 5. We have to find which number is that. Next is objective type question. So these also have given us homework. You would have done that. Once again, you check with the answers. 11th question. Variables means that it can take different values. Option C. 12th question. The number of days in W week is dash. Answer is D, 7W. See the next one. The value of x in the circle is dash. So it is 22. See the next one. The value of y in y plus 7 is equal to 13. Is equal to 13 is y is equal to 6. As you all know, to find y, you have to take this 7 to the opposite side. Plus 7 will become minus 7 when it goes to the opposite side. So the answer is y is equal to 6. Option B. See the next one. 6 less 2 n gives 8. Is represented as, you have to form the equation. 6 less 2 means the variable should be in the front. N minus 6 is equal to 8. Option A is the correct answer. Now we'll go with the worksheet. Yes, exercise 2.1. See the first question given. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. So what you have to do? Let Arivalagan's age be x. Let the total age of both will be n. So what will be the total? X is the Arivalagan's age and he is 30 years younger to his father. So plus 30. So therefore the age of Arivalagan in terms of his father will be n minus 30. Next is, see the next question. If u is an even number, how would you represent the next even number? So what is meant by the next even number? It should be added. U plus 2 will be the next even number. See the next one, the previous even number. Previous means you have to find the previous number. So you have to subtract u minus 2. See the next one. See the next question, 6th question. Express the following verbal statement to algebraic statement. I just want to tell you something. See, you should not stick to the question which is given in the exercise. Okay, for example, in exercise 2.1, we have some 3 sums alone, like verbal, converting verbal into algebraic or algebraic to verbal. 3 sums has given in the each Roman letter. But you should not stick to that alone. You have to go through with the example sum. I have mentioned it clearly in your portions itself. Chapter 2 fully. It means it includes all the example sums also. Okay. So t is added to 100. It is nothing but 100 plus t. 4 times q. We know that times, if times comes in the verbal statement, it should be a multiplication. Either you can write 4 into y or 4y. See the next one. 4 less to 9 times of y. So 4 less to 9 times of y means we have to write the variable in the beginning and then the number. So 9 into y minus 4 or 9y minus 4. The next question. Express the following algebraic statement to verbal statement. So vice versa of the same. So it is given in algebraic statement. You have to convert it into verbal statement. X divided by 3. You have to write the same thing. X is divided by 3. 11 plus 10x. So 10 times of x is added to 11. 70. Yes. 70 times of yes. We'll go with the next question now. 8th question. The teacher asked 2 students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement 8 more than a number, and Vetri wrote 8 plus x but Maran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? So 8 more than a number means more It shows it is a addition symbol. So who has written the correct answer? Yes, it is Vetri. So Vetri gave the correct answer as 8 plus x. See the next one. Answer the following question. If g is equal to 300, what is the value of g minus 1 and g plus 1? Given, what is given here? G is equal to 300. So, the first step is to find g minus 1. So, the value of g is 300 minus 1 is 299. See the next one, g plus 1. What is the value of g? It is 300 plus 1. It is 301. See this next second subdivision. What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? 2s minus 6 is equal to 30. First we have to form the equation. All the numbers together and variable together. We have only one variable, 2s, right? So I am taking this 6 to the opposite side. The minus 6, when it moves to the opposite side, it becomes plus 6. So 30 plus 6 is 36. 2s is equal to 36. Now I am taking 2 to the opposite side. So multiplication of 2, when it moves to the opposite side, it becomes division. So 36 divided by 2, s is equal to 18. Okay, so we have completed exercise 2.1. Let me move on to the exercise number 2.2. Yes, exercise 2.2, miscellaneous practice problem. So we had good fun while doing this exercise, right? You would remember this. Okay, complete the following pattern. So you have to go with the subtraction of each number given here. So when you subtract the numbers given, you will be seeing some pattern given. So you have to find what will be the next pattern. Next question. A piece of wire is 12 centimeter long. What will be the length of the side if it is formed an equilateral triangle? What is an equilateral triangle? First, what is a triangle? A triangle which has 3 sides. So equilateral triangle is nothing but all the 3 sides should be equal. So what is the total length of the wire? It is 12 centimeter divided by how many sides? 3 sides. So 12 divided by 3 will be 4s. So each side will be 4s centimeter. See the next question. A square. What is a square? It is also a shape which has 4 sides. So 4 sides. What is the total length of the wire? It is 12 centimeter divided by 4. So if you divide it, we'll get 3s. So each side will have 3s centimeter. See the next question. Identify the value of the shape and figure in the table given below and verify the addition horizontally and vertically. So this also you would have known, right? The total number is given. So when you add all the 4 symbols given, that is 2 stars and 2 smileys, it is equal to 30. Now we are going to divide it and find what is the value of each pictures given. That is the value of star is 8, the value of a smiley is 7, the value of a triangle is 10. Likewise, you have to find it. We'll go with the next page. See the next page. 4th question. The table given below shows the result of the matches played by 8 teams in a Kabaddi championship. See here, 8 teams are given like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here in the table, the matches they have, total matches they have played, matches they have won and matches they have lost. So, they have given 8 tabular column. In that one is missing. They have given, instead of number, they have given some variable. So the place where they have given the variable, we are going to find the number, the answer. See the first one, A tabular column. So the total matches they have played is 8. 5 matches they have won and K matches they have lost. So we have to find what is K. So total matches played is 8 minus 5, 1. So how many will be lost? 8 minus 5 will be 3. So likewise you have to subtract and find the answer. Okay, see the next question, challenging problem. The fifth question we'll see in the worksheet. See the sixth question. The rectangles made of identical square block with varying length but having only two square block as width are given below. So while drawing the lines, we have to find how many square blocks are formed. See the P box. One cylindrical shape is given, so one line has been drawn. So how many square blocks are there? It is 2. See the Q box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See the R1, it is 6. See S, it is 10. What about T? No, because there is no square box given. So you have to pick that and write it in this tabular column given. Now we'll go with the fifth sum which is worked. So now exercise 2.2, fifth question, the only problem we solved on that day. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their age is 30, how old is Karnan? Let Karnan's age be x and we'll take Gopal age as x minus 8 because Karnan is 8 years elder to Gopal. So I'm taking x minus 8. So their total age which is given is 30. Therefore total age is equal to x plus x minus 8 is equal to 30. All the variables together and number together. So x plus x is 2x. I'm taking this 8 to the opposite side. When minus 8 goes to opposite side, it becomes plus 8. Yes. So 2x is equal to 30 plus 8, it is 38. So x is equal to, I'm taking this 2 to the opposite side. So multiplication, when it moves opposite, it becomes division. So 38 divided by 2, x is equal to 19. So what is the age of Karan? It is 19. Okay students, I hope you would have understood. You had a good revision. So as I told you in the previous session itself, this chapter algebra is going to be a very easy chapter. In the previous video itself, we would have seen this teaching video itself. We would have seen very interestingly we have solved many problems in this chapter. I hope that everyone has understood, and I'm expecting more marks this time. I can expect that everyone will be getting more than 20 out of 25. So all the best. Write your test well. Okay, and be safe. Stay home. Thank you, students.